Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. We are from Group A. We would like to present our discussion, our project about Cytopilus oryzae, growth in different size room treatment project. Okay, before we start, we would like to um, introduce ourselves. My name is Aisyah Azhar with student numbers 156.
And my name is Taufik Nuridayat with the last to the number 162. Next. So, for the first is Cytopilus oryzae. Cytopilus oryzae, commonly known as rice weevil, is a widespread and economical significant pest of storage grains and other dry food production. This small brown beetle is a primary concern for farmer, grain storage facilities, and food processing industry globally. Its ability to infest a wide variety of commodities, coupled with its rapid reproduction rate, makes it a persistent and challenging pest to control. Understanding the population dynamics of Cytopilus oryzae is crucial for developing effective control method because it allows us to predict and manage pest outbreaks. By studying factors like reproduction rates, development times, and environmental influences, we can identify critical points in the weevil life cycle to target with intervention. This knowledge enables the implementation of strategic control measures such as timely fumigation, temperature manipulation, or the use of natural predator, ultimately minimizing crops losses and ensuring food security.
Population density, behavior, and feed condition are critical indicators in pest management because they provide direct insights into the health and impact of a pest infestation. Population density quantifies the scale of the infestation, guiding the intensity of control efforts. Behavioral observations, such as feeding patterns or movement, reveal vulnerabilities that can be exploited for targeted interventions. Lastly, feed condition reflecting the extent of damage and research depletion indicates the economic impact of the pest and the urgency for action, thereby influencing the choice and timing of management strategies. How does the population density of Cytopilus oryzae respond to different room size, small, medium, and large over time?
So the objectives our project for the first one is to observe and document the population density of Cytopilus oryzae over 14 weeks in varying room size. And the second is to record behavioral change, include active or passive of the weevils. And the next is to determine the sex ratio of the weevil population at specific intervals. And the last is to assess the feed condition or rise throughout the experiment.
Okay, so the materials that we use in this project is Cytopilus oryzae, 10 insects per treatment, including 5 males and 5 females. And then transparent containers that divide to small containers, big containers, and medium containers. And then 100 grams of rice per container. Uh, okay, this is the population density from week 2 until week 7 that have been explained in the uh, presentation uh, before the midterm. And this is the population density after the midterm exam from the week 8 and until the last week. We have known that the population of the Cytopilus oryzae are increasing in the small room size, and but in the medium and large room size have been uh, the population of the Cytopilus oryzae have been uh, decreased uh, because the okay, next.
So, and the next is behavior and food condition. For the parameters is for population behavior and food condition. For the small room size, the population behavior is active and food condition is stable. For the medium room size, population behavior is active and food condition is stable. And the large room size, population behavior same, the active and the food condition stable.
Okay, we will explain the data after 6 weeks of the observation. So, based on the data, after 6 weeks of observation, the population of Cytopilus oryzae are increasing on the small room size, but on the medium and big size, the Cytopilus oryzae are dead. The color of the rice is duller and more starchy, and the rice in the medium and large containers become very moist, and all the rice smell bad. Also, the rice is getting crushed like flour.
The next one is after weeks of observation, the room size that the production the most Cytopilus oryzae are the small one. Cytopilus oryzae in the small container are dominated by females. So it can be the reason why the population of Cytopilus oryzae are increasing every week. Limited of space and resource will limit the population ability to grow, and under this condition, the population will remain stable and grow slowly due to limited resource and space.
Okay, that's all from our presentation. Uh, thank you for your attention. See you.